Gold is trading sideways. That means it can explode anytime. The distance between low and high is decreasing. Price tested 200 simple moving average 3 times and closed below it. 21 simple moving average has already crossed 200 and price is trading below 200 simple moving average. Technically, it is a huge bearish sign. Price closing below 200 simple moving average confirm bearish trend. If we draw chart pattern, then we have this symmetrical triangle. Symmetrical triangle can break out in any direction because it is symmetrical, but we have already have higher high, not just higher high, all time high, and we can expect lower low and downside breakout. If price breakout below, then we have this horizontal support and low at 1862 and 50% Fibonacci retracement at 1872. If price break this low, then we have another horizontal support which have tested many times previously, 1880 below 618 golden ratio, which is at 1825. This month is about to end. We have only this week, and next month is the only month before election. Every news, every announcement will be come in that next month, October. Investors are confusing where price will go, upside or downside, because they don't know any future announcement yet. And it's clear on chart. Price is making range and not making lower high or higher high. To upside breakout, we do not have any strong announcement, but for downside breakout we have many announcement. President Trump has already signed TikTok deal, and recently he announced $30 billion relief fund for farmer, and we have agriculture product to be purchased by China, and most important, coronavirus vaccine. The coronavirus vaccine and China purchasing US agriculture product can send gold down not just below 1765 up to 1600. Anything can happen in the next 30 days in the October month. Trump had this the only month to make any announcement, not just the vaccine news, anything. Gold was trading at $1,000 price range in 2050. Trade war was the only reason that gold hit 1610. If Trump announced anything positive about trade war, trade deal, and coronavirus vaccine, these two will create highly bearish environment for gold. Before the election, in next 30 days in October, anything can happen. Be extremely careful about gold. Either you don't trade or trade with highly tight stop loss or TP. Subscribe our channel and join our Telegram channel for more videos like this. If you have any suggestion, don't forget to make comment.